What's going on, guys? Don't forget to subscribe before you watch this whole video. But yes, we got the tires for the rear, at least, on the RPF1s. Guys, if you guys need any wheel and tire services out in CT, hit up my boy. I'll drop his IG right here, right now. Definitely did a great job. No scratching at all. You see a little bit of fingerprints, that's from me pulling out the wheel. But yeah, fire. Oh, let's get these on real quick. Yeah, I don't have power tools like that. I mean, I have a couple, but nothing like crazy. But it's pretty funny. I've been like pulling motors and stuff without those tools. Yeah. Oh my God. This is it. My plan worked, man. I just got to lower it because this gas looking crazy, but yes, sir.
Ooh, yeah. Ay. You gotta watch your life when you ride through the night. Rather stay dangerous than die without a pay. On 2 strikes, got a third, that's life.
Trying out the new horizontal view TikTok's supposedly pushing. So if you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Fam, it's not bad at all, for being honest here. This gap is kind of weird. It's weird because this is the same tire I had on my other wheels. Take a look. So these are 205/50s. You guys can see right there. And then these are also 205/50s, but for some reason, the tire looks a little smaller. But I just raised the car up, so we'll have to see how it lines up, I guess, after. But yeah, this thing looks pretty sick, man. So guys, this is it. This is crazy. Oh man. So I'm trying to close my trunk. I figured out what the issue is. I gotta loosen these real quick and push it up because this is just a hair off from here. But other than that, thing's pretty clean, guys. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's different. That is different. Whew. Oh my God, yes.